Hello viewers, welcome back to Reenka kitchen. In today's video we'll be cooking Nigerian smoky jollof rice. Stay tuned and watch me cook this delicious rice with you. Here are the ingredients needed for this delicious rice. Everything in this tray will be smoked in the oven. These are red bell pepper, tomatoes and onions. The onions has to change brown for you to know that it is ready. The roasting period is 30 minutes, and then we'll be making use of spring onions for this cooking. Here we have ginger, garlic, spring onions and normal onions. We'll be adding everything in a blender to blend it to paste. The roasted tomatoes, red bell pepper and onions are ready. We'll be blending it now in order to start the cooking. The ingredients we have here is nutmeg, curry, calabash nutmeg, dry onions and white pepper. We'll be adding it to the tomato in order to blend it together. I also have bay leaves inside the tomato, which I will also be blending together. Stay tuned. Blend into a smooth paste. It will give you a very good smooth paste. Add the blended onions mixture into the preheated oil. Remember what we blended into paste, which are spring onions, garlic, normal onions and ginger. Keep stirring in order for it to fry. Fry this for about 5 minutes and add the tomato paste. Roasting the tomato first in the oven before frying it is a very good method that helps the tomato to dry fast. (10 to 15 minutes frying is okay for this tomato because you have already roasted it in the oven. Now we'll be adding the rice that we'll be using for this cooking. I would like to let you know that this rice is not parboiled. It is thoroughly washed and will be cooked with the tomato paste and meat stock. At this stage, I will be adding the meat stock. But when you find out that the meat stock you have is not enough, you can actually add water. Add salt or any seasoning of your choice. I like to do this at this stage in order to avoid excess ingredients. Cover the pot and allow to cook. After about 15 minutes, when the liquid is reduced, stir to combine and allow to cook on a low heat. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe.